Hi students, and welcome to week 6 in your online STEP 0171 course. This week we are taking a look at study skills. So your objectives for the week are listed here. Your chapter 5 that you need to read is right here, so you can go through and learn about all the different study skills that have proven to be very successful and helpful for academic success. You have a reading and note-taking assignment and a study skills plan to put together for yourself. So that will complete week 6, which all the items are due by Sunday, November 28th. I also want to just preview the rest of the semester since after this week, you only have 2 more weeks. You have a chapter 7 in week 7, and this will be looking at how lifestyle affects academics. And then our last week together, which is week 8, you have your final exam. So there'll be 2 parts to the final exam. One part here that will have multiple choice questions, and then another part that has a couple essays. So if you have any questions about this week or what's to come this semester, please let me know. We're cranking down. We're almost there, and you have a nice long winter break ahead of you. So take care, everybody.